Welcome everybody to another episode of the Unbox Minute. Today we're going to be looking at the Samsung Galaxy A52s, a mid-range smartphone. Opening the box and setting the phone aside, you can see that there is a charger included in the box as well as a charging cable. So first off the charger and then a charging cable, which interestingly is USB-C, so that's a nice inclusion. There is some additional kit, so let's shake the lid and get that out. Okay, so there you see it. So there is the SIM ejection pin, but opening up the rest of the box, you can see that there is some documentation. The first is a quick start guide, and the second document is a warranty card. Looking at the main phone device, you can see that it's wrapped in a plastic sheet, so let's remove that plastic wrap. The light bluish green color you see is awesome mint. Looking at the phone, at the top you have the SIM tray. On the right, volume rocker and power. At the bottom, a single speaker, USB Type-C port and a headphone jack. And the left is clean. At the rear, there is a quad camera setup with flash. Hit pause now for the specs, but for the full scoop, don't forget to subscribe so you can catch our deep dive video on this device. Hope you're enjoying our content. Don't forget to like and share, and see you in the next one.